Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today we're going to be doing a underwear, loungy, sexy type of haul today. I just want to give a big shout out and thanks to Lounge for sending me these items. I have a cute little box filled with goodies. You can already see some of it is hanging out, which Lounge was kind enough to send me. So I'm gonna try on everything for you guys and give you my honest and unbiased opinion. And also stay tuned till the end of this video for a discount code. And just FYI, this video is not sponsored. Everything was just gifted to me, so just FYI. I've basically been seeing Lounge just floating around like on Instagram and on YouTube, and I'm like, okay, this looks kind of interesting. I'm in a little relationship. Something like this is kind of cute, to spice up your evening. And I will say I have worn one of these for a spicy little evening and it was a success. The piece was highly loved. So I am very impressed with the quality from Lounge. But yeah, you guys let me know like if it's worth the hype, if it's not worth the hype. In my opinion, I think you'll see in this video if it's worth the hype or not. So stay tuned. So the first product that I want to show you guys is the Mustard Blossom Balcony. Basically, it just looks like this. First of all, before we jump into any type of review, just look at the color of this bra. Like, it's such a beautiful mustard. I'm looking at the side screen because it's just such a beautiful color on dark skin. If you have the same skin complexion as me, this is going to look just mwah. So this is basically the color on my skin complexion. You can see it has beautiful lace detailing right there. And it's not like a flimsy, lace detailing. It's actually very sturdy and very thick. And then just beneath it, you can see that there is the Lounge detailing along there. I really, really love this top. I don't think I can, give a real try on of this only because it's kind of see-through. Like if you're having a little, sexy night or whatever, it's perfect, put it on, but it is right now see-through. So I won't do that. And I got the set. So, it comes with the matching, thong, booty out, beautiful bottom bit. So this is in a size small and I got the bra in a size UK US 34C and then a Euro 75C. I was a little bit confused on the website because you guys know I'm from New York and I had the option to pick from the European website and I was just like so confused because I was like, okay, what is this 75, 77, 76? So I did my research and my boob size is roughly 75C in Euro and that would be a 34C in UK US, and this fits me like a glove. It fits me very sexy. It's just the best. Okay guys, so the next item is kind of a little bit disappointing because it is just so beautiful. So this is the red Luxe Balcony and it's basically like the Blossom Balcony before, but it's kind of cut more lower. So I guess more boobs can show, but as you guys can see here, it's really beautiful again with the lace. You see the bottom, there is the Lounge detailing, but as you can see, this part is cut a lot lower than the Blossom. And so it's kind of like, like a little triangle. And this is such a beautiful color on my skin. It is so gorgeous, but it is the correct boob size for me. Like it's the correct bra size, but this cut, it's just too low. It's like covering nothing and I don't understand because it is my bra size. I think if you have a smaller boob size or a smaller chest, this is gonna be a really nice bra on you. And then they obviously sent the matching underwear, which is just like this. Just looks like this, kind of like the same with the balcony set, except this one, it just doesn't have any detailing in the front. It's kind of lace all the way here and it looks really, really sexy on, but it just sucks because the bra doesn't really fit me. The next item is actually quite nice, and I think you can wear this like under t-shirts or like going out or something like this. The other ones are more intimate and more, you know, sexy, whatever, but this is more, you know, regular type of bra. So this bra is called the Sand Lace Magic, and I got it in this kind of nudish color because I always wanted a nude type of bra. This is basically it. It has beautiful, you know, lace detailing there. It has the lounge all over the strap on both sides. And then on the inside, which I actually just saw, is that there is the lounge detailing right there. So this one actually looks really, really nice on. It fits me perfectly. It's a nice bra, comfortable bra to wear, you know, under t-shirts or just under any clothes in general. And yeah, I really like this. All of the sizes of my bras are 34C, so I won't say that anymore, but yeah, it is a 34C. And of course, they sent me the matching underwear. The matching underwear is a bit sexy. It's really, really cute. You know, the bra is kind of like everyday wear, but the bottoms are they're not really everyday wear. It's kind of sexy, you know, it's kind of cute. What I'm trying to start to do now is like wear matching bra, matching underwear type of thing. I feel like that's really sexy, and I'm gonna try to incorporate it. I say it now, but at least with these lounge sets, I have really cute sets to wear, you know. Okay, so this is the last type of intimate wear that I picked out from Lounge. The next items are gonna be just regular clothing items, but they're super cute. Okay, so this I already saw on a few other YouTubers, and I just fell deeply, deeply and madly in love. This set is called the Black Ribbed Flare Apparel, and I got it in a size small. I was a little bit skeptical because I didn't know if I would fit a size small because I'm not the biggest person, but I'm also not very tiny and I have a bigger chest. But this set, in a size small, I'm so happy I got a size small. This is the top. I've already tried it on. You can see some DO stains there. But yeah, this is the top. It's super, super stretchy. It fits me very well. The material is also very thick. I like that. And then this is the matching bottom, the matching black bottoms. It's very, very fitted and very, very tight, but the set is called Fitted Apparel. But what I find is that it's very also sexy, you know, when you want to just lounge with your partner, with whoever, comfortably, but also, you know, cute. This is something that you can throw on. The last thing that I got was the ash white cropped t-shirt, and it just basically looks like this. And it has, you know, the basic lounge stitched on the front. And I actually thought this came as a set, but I only just got the top. So I guess you can buy this separately just as a top or just the shorts by itself. I think the set would have looked really cute together, but I just have the shirt. But still, the shirt is really, really cute, really simple, really basic, but also, you know, cute, you know. So guys, that was the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Tell me what you guys think about it. Do you guys think it's worth the hype? Do you guys think it's not worth the hype? Let me know. I personally think the quality of the items are really good. You just have to be careful with some of the bra items, like that one where it was like half of my boob would have been popping out even though it was my bra size. But personally, I really, really like Lounge. I think it's worth it. The quality is amazing. I would personally buy from them. So they are on my recommended list. So as promised, there is going to be a discount code. I will include it on the screen right now. So definitely when you have a chance, go check out Lounge and you can use my discount code for some money off. So guys, I hope you are staying super safe. I hope your family is safe, and I hope to see you guys in another video.